In today's video, we won't learn how to manipulate others instead. We'll discover how to manipulate ourselves so you can control your emotions like a psychopath. This is called self-manipulation. These steps are dangerous, but if you dare to follow them, you won't just learn to control your own emotions. You'll start to influence others too. If you'd rather stay a puppet of your feelings, skip this video now. But tell me, have you ever caught yourself lying to yourself? That voice saying, "Not today, let's start tomorrow." But tomorrow never comes. This video isn't for people looking for motivation. It's for those ready to stop forcing themselves and start manipulating themselves. To break your own mind and from those broken pieces, build a system. Because in this world, there are only two kinds of people. Those who are slaves to their emotions, and those who learn to run themselves like cold, ruthless, perfect like a psychopath. In this video, you'll learn 3 dangerous steps that can transform you from an ordinary human into a machine. Step 1. Kill the civilian. Destroy the soft, tired one. The one that seeks approval. The one that says, "I don't feel like it being late." From now on, feelings don't need commands do. Step 2. Build the execution. Train your body to move automatically. Kill the addiction to motivation. Give micro-commands to your brain till it becomes a trained machine. You'll manipulate yourself like a master hypnotist manipulates his prey. Step 3. Activate emotionless precision. When no voice rises inside you, when emotions become just background noise, fatigue, fear, boredom, none of them will stop your execution. Because you're no longer human. You're a system, a machine, a silent